Hi and welcome to the how-to guide brought to you by NetAngel. In this episode we're going to talk you through TikTok. Episode 1 includes what is TikTok, what concerns do parents have and what prevention is available. So what is TikTok? TikTok is an app for your Android or Apple smart devices. It has an age rating of 13+. The app allows you to upload short 15-second videos. It also includes pop songs, filters and special effects. Over half of the children population of Great Britain regularly watch TikTok videos, with over 1 billion installs worldwide. Why are parents concerned? Ofcom said the app was particularly popular among 10 to 12-year-old girls. Watchdog reports that 44% of 8 to 12-year-old girls were using TikTok. According to Ofcom, 9 out of 10 adults are worried about children using these platforms, citing bullying or trolling, harmful or age-inappropriate content and receiving private messages from strangers as their main concerns. Other concerns highlighted were addiction. Some users may find it hard to stop using TikTok. Content. Many countries showed concerns regarding the content of TikTok, which is thought to be obscene, immoral, vulgar and the encouraging of pornography. Developing brains. Users watch short 15-second clips repeatedly, and studies say that this could report to a decrease in attention span in young developing brains. TikTok market themselves as real people, real videos, and there is some really good content on there. As a parent myself, I was quite shocked that once I'd put TikTok on my son's phone and even enabled the parental control restricted mode, some of the content was still filtering through that was not age appropriate. I purposely left the audio out of the videos. That's because some of the videos included some really bad language and quite suggestive content. Something that was, if it was going to get a video certificate, it would definitely be a certificate 15. Another major concern of mine is you can just see how the younger generation are influenced by the older generation on the type of content being uploaded to TikTok. The more popular the video, the more likely it is that the younger generation will copy the type of content and upload it to TikTok. What really stunned me as well was the amount of content that's being uploaded where the children will be in their school uniforms, either at school itself or in their school uniform. This really does leave them open to online predators, and it's just a case of, looking at the school badge, they'll be able to find out what school they go to, and again, they might even be able to identify them from their TikTok username. So as a parent or guardian, what can you do? As a parent myself, I would start off by setting agreeable time limits, filter mature content, disable direct messaging, set the appropriate privacy settings and become their first follower. By setting up family pairing, it allows you to control how long your child can spend on TikTok each day. And with restricted mode, it limits the appearance of content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. It also gives you a feature called direct messages. This allows you to restrict who can send messages to the connected account, or it gives you the option to turn it off completely. Although family pairing includes some good features, I just want to remind you that TikTok has an age rating of 13+, and with restricted mode enabled, you may find that some videos will filter through that are still not appropriate for anyone under the age of 13. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more parental how-to guides, or leave a comment on what you'd like to see guidance on and we'll see what we can do. NetAngel content is designed for parents by parents.